Today's topic is kinetic theory of ideal gas. In this topic, we will discuss pressure of an ideal gas. Let us suppose that gas is enclosed in a cubical box of length L. There are n number of molecules. This is a cubical box having n number of molecules. If small m is the mass of each molecule, therefore the total mass of the gas enclosed, that is m is equals to m into n. Since the molecules are of same size and perfectly elastic, so the mutual collisions between them interchange their velocities only. Thus the collision with the walls of the container contribute to the pressure by the gas molecules only. Now consider a molecule of mass m moving with velocity v1, and v1x, v1y and v1z is the components of velocity v1 along x, y and z direction. v1 square is equals to v1x square plus v1y square plus v1z square. Equation number 2. Now we will consider momentum of the molecule along x direction only. When the molecule strikes the wall, we will consider momentum before collision, and when it rebounds, we will consider momentum after collision. Momentum before collision means P1 is equals to mv1x. Momentum after collision means P2 is equals to minus mv1x. Okay, so change in momentum means mv1x minus mv1x, that is 2mv1x. Equation number 3. Now the molecule covers double length L plus L. Therefore the velocity of particle is given by distance upon time. The total distance is 2L upon time is t. Therefore here we will write v1x is equals to 2L upon t. Therefore t is equals to 2L upon v1x. Now change in momentum, we have written equation 3. Now rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum, that is we will divide it by t, 2m v1x by t. So here we will put the value of t, 2m v1x by 2l into v1x. So we get m v1x square by n. So the rate of change of momentum is equals to force applied, that is force in x direction, F1x. This is equation number 5. Similarly, force on the other molecules. This one the first molecule, first, second up to n. So we can write m upon L common. We are left with v1x square plus v2x square plus vnx square. Now we will talk about pressure. Px is equals to Fx upon A, that is m upon L into A, v1x square plus v2x square plus vnx square. So length into area means L into L. We have taken this as cube, means L into L into L, that is L cube. So we are getting Px is equals to m upon L cube, v1x square, v2x square up to vnx square. Similarly, we will write for py and pz. Py m upon L cube, v1y square, v2y square up to vny square. So the average pressure along the three axes is given by P is equals to Px plus Py plus Pz by 3. So Putting the value of px, pay and pz, m upon l cube is common and 3 is here. Okay. So the term in the bracket is equals to equation number 2. Equation number 2 is V1 square here. And L3 is the volume. So P is equals to m upon 3V into V1 square plus V2 square plus Vn square. So we will multiply and divide right hand side by n. Nm by 3V into V1 square plus V2 square plus Vn square by n, where this term is called V square RMS. So this term is called V square RMS. Therefore, the equation number becomes, above equation becomes m by 3V into m into n into V square RMS. So m into n is the total mass of the gas. M by 3V r V square RMS, where V square RMS is the root mean square velocity. So we know density is equals to mass by volume. So here m upon V we are getting P is equals to 1 upon 3 rho V square RMS. So from this equation we will get the value of V square RMS is equals to 3P by rho, or VRMS is equals to 3P by rho within the under root. From this equation we will prove that the kinetic interpretation of temperature with kinetic gas equation. So the equation was P is equals to 1 upon 3 rho V square RMS. So rho is equals to m upon V. Therefore P is equals to 1 upon 3 m upon V square RMS. So PV is equals to 1 upon 3 m V square RMS. For ideal gas, PV is equals to RT, N is equals to 1. Therefore, RT is equals to 1 upon 3 m V square RMS. Now m is equals to m into Avogadro number, means Na. Therefore RT is equals to 1 upon 3 m into Na into V square RMS. We will multiply both sides by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 into m Na V square RMS. Therefore 3 by 2 RT Na I have taken on the left side, therefore we are left with half m V square RMS. Therefore R upon Na is called the Boltzmann constant, which is equals to 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23 joule per mole per Kelvin, which is equals to small k. Therefore I will write 3 upon 2 KT is equals to half m V square RMS. So from this equation it is clear that if K is constant, half m V square RMS is directly proportional to T, that is the temperature. Thus the temperature of the gas is directly proportional to average kinetic energy of molecule of gas.